Welcome to Tomplay. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most of our app to learn your favorite pieces. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced player, these tips will help you practice more effectively. First things first, let's explore your piece. See this play button right here? Give it a tap and just listen. This is your chance to get familiar with the music before diving in. Take it all in, the melody, the rhythm, how it flows. Now, here's a pro tip. Instead of tackling the whole piece at once, we're going to break it into smaller parts. See these annotation tools? Let's use them to mark different sections. Think of it like creating musical checkpoints. It makes the whole piece much less overwhelming. Let's start with our first part. First, learn the notes without the cursor at your own pace. If reading the notes is difficult or you need help with fingerings, just use the visual guide when available for your instrument. You can tap on any note and watch as the note's name and the correct fingerings light up on the screen. Remember that you can add fingerings or highlight any tricky spots using these annotation tools right here. Ready to play along? Let's bring in our friend, the cursor. See these audio controls? You can mute the solo part and play along with just the backing tracks. But to start, try keeping the solo part on and playing over it. It'll help you learn the notes and stay in rhythm. Once you feel confident, mute the solo and take the lead. Finding it a bit fast? No problem. Here's the tempo control. You can slow things down as much as you need. And check this out. The loop feature is amazing for practicing tricky sections. Just select the part you want to work on, hit loop, and practice until it feels comfortable. Want to hear how you're doing? Try recording yourself. Hit this record button, play your piece, and then listen back. You can even compare it with the original Tomplay recording. It's incredible to hear your progress. Here's a quick recap before you get started. First, listen to the piece to get familiar with the music. Then, break it down into smaller parts to make learning easier. Next, decipher the notes without the cursor and use visual guides when needed. Practice with the cursor at your own tempo. Use the tempo control and loop feature to focus on tricky sections. And finally, record yourself to track progress and refine your playing. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace, so take your time and enjoy the journey. To make the most out of Tomplay, we recommend taking lessons with a teacher who can guide you and help you progress even faster. And we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy practicing!